Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to unzip the folders which we are going to have here, which we are already having here, and we are going to install Java. So that's the first step towards working with your default stuff. So now when let me log off from the root user. Sorry about that. So I'm currently in the OPT dump path where my both Java as well as your web logic is, sitting over here. So what I'm going to do is like first unzip the JDK using tar-zxvf. So zxvf is going to extract not just the tar file but also the gz file. So the z is going to take care of gz. X is going to take care of extraction of a tar file, and it's going to be in verbose and force. So now you can see that a folder getting created over here called JDK11. So now let's just do that. Yeah. So now you have the folder here. So now this is basically a binary file setup. As you can see, the file name itself, it says binary. So binary file means it's already pre-installed. All you have to do is like copy to the right location where you want your Java to be. So move this folder to U01 apps. You don't have a folder called apps, right? So just make a folder here /U01 apps Java. So if you are creating multiple folder, use with -p. This should create multiple folders. So move this folder, the Java folder, JDK folder, to this location. What's going to happen is like it's going to move this folder inside this rather than doing this. So just going to put Java over here as a folder name. So this should be creating, I'm not sure what has happened. So Java, yeah, it has moved it inside it. So what I'm going to do is like, instead of this kind of a move, I'm just going to do it back. So please don't note the command as of now. So I'll tell you another way to move this. So you're back with this folder. So move the content of this folder to U01 apps Java. As you create this Java folder, so all you have to do is like move the content and remove this directory rmdir with this file name. So this directory should be gone now. All right. So now if you want to execute Java 11, just do this user bin Java. Use U01 app Java bin Java -version, and you can see that this is 11.0.21. This is Sun Hotspot, and it's a 64-bit software, and it works exactly fine because when you run this command, if you have downloaded a 32-bit or other kind of architecture rather than x86-64, you would have got error. Okay, if you didn't get any error, then we are good to work with this Java version. All right, so now let's unzip this WebLogic as well. Just do unzip, and you can see that a jar file is being inflated. All right, so now you have the jar file in place. So we're not going to install WebLogic on this video. We're just unzipping it and then removing this zip file. We don't need this file anymore. We have the jar file. We have the tar.gz file for JDK. If you want to reuse the Java for something else, we can use that. All right, guys. So far, so good. I don't have anything else to cover over here. We have completed the installation of Java. Now we are going to set up our Java to run it via just like that. So if I type Java version, you can see that Java is not found. So we're going to fix this problem. There are two ways of fixing this problem. One is like temporary. You can do a export path equal to this path of your Java which you just executed, right? So you can give it to the bin folder and then $of path. So it will include the existing path parameters. And then when you type Java, you can see that it works. So you get this one, but this is temporary. So if I open another console, well, this is gone. So what you can do is like to make this permanent, you can append this to your home folder .bashrc file. In here, you can actually put this value in this location. So this is one way to do it, or you can go to etc-rc. So this will be for all the users it will affect if you put this particular command in this file. So do remember that I will put this command as part of your as part of your coding document as well. So do refer this particular file, both as in this parameter which you need to enter the file, and as an export command also I will put it, and I will give you both the options for you. Either you want to use it on the home directory, or you want to use it on the root directory. So that requires a sudo permission. If you're editing the etc-rc, you need to do sudo, because you don't have right permission on this file as a WLS user. Thank you, guys. Now Java is available. No matter I logged into the WLS user, because WLS user is the only user we'll be using in this training. So if you're going to run it as if I'm switching to root user, right? If I do the same Java version, it won't work. You can see that Java not found. Why? Because this is set within your home folder. So we have set it in your bash rc. If you put it on etc bash rc, it's going to reflect on all the users. Now you must ask me, why don't we put it there? I don't really have the necessity of putting something in this file, because I'm not going to use root user for WebLogic. As this is a production setup, I want to use a specific user for running WebLogic, which is going to be WLS user. All right. That's all, folks, I have for you in this video. In the next video, we will see the installation of WebLogic. Thank you again. Bye-bye.